Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Oelwein, local and long distance movers near me. Save money on a relocation by hiring us to facilitate your local move. We are versed with the terrains of the city, and our drivers navigate the traffic free routes to ensure that your belongings get to your new home seamlessly. Our competent team is hands on in organizing and packing your belongings, and they ensure that none of your belongings are damaged in the process, which means you will not need to replace anything and save the money that you should use for this. The tedious requirement for long distance relocations is energy sapping and financially draining. It is more exhausting when you work with non professional movers. We have ensured that the process does not drain you and that you do not spend an arduous amount on your move or outrageous prices and hidden fees that are not associated with us. Once our clients make payment based on the estimate of their move, they do not require another. We have a network of partners across all states of the U.S. that ensures the smooth navigation of your belongings and their safety. We've also insurance coverage guaranteeing extra protection for our clients' belongings. In addition to moving housewares for our clients, we ensure that their cars are professionally moved across the country with no hitches. We've also arranged an efficient transportation system to convey your belongings across state lines seamlessly. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Oelwein moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.